This particular buggy right here is a Mugen MBX5R. This has already been on my channel. The last speed run, we got 55 miles an hour out of this bad boy, which is honestly pretty incredible for a single speed buggy. This is running an LRP .32 non-pole-starred engine. Dynamite pipe. It has a bunch of carbon fiber all around. It has really good low suspension for, you know, those high-speed runs. It's got brand new 8th scale foam tires. GoPro always goes dead when you're recording. Okay. This right here is the newest Serpent Viper 989. This is running a .21 tuned Novarossi engine with the famous Novarossi exhaust, a whole set of foam tires all around. This is probably the current most expensive 8th scale on-road car that you have to buy as a kit. All right, Nitro Gang, enough talking. I'm gonna shut up. Let's start them up. We got a dynamite head warmer on the motor. In about 10 minutes, this engine's gonna warm up, and then we could easily start it. Whenever you're running these pretty high performance motors, they have so much compression, you really need to warm them up in order to get them started easier. Right now, I'm just waiting a couple more minutes for the temperature to get up to about 100 degrees here on the heat sink head, then we could start it up. In terms of fuel, we're gonna be running this Byron Race Gen 2 World's Blend, 25% nitro, 8% oil. How fast do you think this Mugen's gonna go? We got 55 miles an hour last time, but then again, we were running slightly larger wheels on these foams. I think it was actually running these standard buggy wheels, but these are actually a little bit bigger. So of course, you know, in terms of the circumference of the tire, the bigger it is, the more road surface you're gonna cover. We went up from 14 all the way up to 18 teeth. That's gonna be crazy. We got on the bump box. Let's get it going. Oh man, that was fast. Serpent run! Man, I'm lucky this whole parking lot's open. Wow! This might be the fastest RC on my channel so far. Doing a speed pass with the Serpent. Wow, it's carving this road over here. Handling is on point. We're gonna do another speed test with this. This is a Fortec 2.0, one of their newer 10-scale on-road electrics. This is running the VXL system with the optional speed gearing. Got our speed gauge on it. Place your bets, guys. These are rated at up to 70 miles per hour. But as we know, Traxxas likes to make up about a quarter of their speed claims. So we're gonna see how this goes. Gotta say, that was pretty fast. We're gonna have to consult the speed gauge. Fortec coming. No flips, I'm surprised. Gotta say, the road holding ability of this chassis, pretty good. 50, let's see what we get.
Quick.
Oh, wow. 61.
Oh, 61.
Man, I am surprised.
Wow.
61. I think Traxxas isn't scamming too much this time. This is pretty good.
Yeah, but
really good looking 4GT body too. Traxxas Slash VXL, another speed pass. This particular one just has modified gearing, you know, for a little bit more of that top end. Let's see what we're gonna get. I predict maybe 45 in this track. Let's see if I'm surprised. Man, it's actually pretty fast. Looks like some kind of fire in the background there. Hopefully not lipo related. Zoom in. Let's see what we got. Place your bets, guys. Put in the comments. I say 50. 50? I say a little under 50. Oh man, 51. I'm surprised again. 51. 51, guys. I'm surprised again. See who's first. It looks like the Nitro Slayer. Nitro Slayer is winning. We got a Teton right here in the front. Traxxas Revo 3.3. Traxxas Slash VXL. Nitro World Order.
Nitro World Order. Nitro World Order.